Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hi! I know it's been a while, but I am now back at my homestead. So now I can get back to doing what I love, and it's making videos for you guys. Alright, I did a modification on this plastic hand in one of my videos, and I had attached the dual forms on here so that you can practice on and then pop them off easily without damaging the nail bed. I went ahead and took it a step further because the dual forms that I have these like little ridges on them. See little ridges? Excuse my finger. And I wanted to be able to start off with a smooth surface. So I went ahead and I decided to remove and file off these ridge lines. And then using my ASP gel polishes, my base coat and my top coat, I went ahead and coated them onto the dual form tip, and this is what we're going to try to accomplish. See how smooth that looks? I think that came out pretty great. So that way we can use this as our starting point. Now, as far as you building on this and it coming off easily like it would with these, I don't know that it can do that yet. I'm learning this and doing it with you guys, so I think that may have to be filed off as to where these, if I sculpted on these, they would just pop off, but you're going to be left with ridges underneath, and if you don't care, you don't have to worry about doing this step, which I'm going to show you how to do. So once again, hello, I am Amorca. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my subscribers and my future subscribers. Click on the bell for notifications. Don't forget to share and comment and like my video. All right, let us get started. Once again, I've got my model hand with the modifications as in a previous video. I've got my base coat and my top coat, ASP gels. I'm of course using my handy dandy four-sided Beauty Secrets file. That's what I was trained on. And then of course I've got my light. Alright, so what I'm going to start with is we're going to remove, I'm going to do one or two for you. And like I said, we're going to remove these ridges. So using the fine and extra fine file, you're going to see me hold it a little different here because it is very rigid. So I've got to steady it. So I'm going to go ahead and, as you see, I'm going to file all these ridges off. And actually, I almost forgot, I've got my drill. Oops, going out of frame. Let's work a little quicker. I'm going to turn on my drill. And of course, I've got these bits in my store as well. If you're interested, these are designed for finishing or for preparing the nail for the service. These are a fine. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to pop out of frame. There you go. That's pretty much getting rid of those lines really quickly. You don't want to go all the way through. You just want to do enough to get those little ridges off, so that when you go to smooth it out finally with your four-sided file, it's real easy. I think that's pretty much it. Yep, alright. Turn that off. That's pretty good. Alright, now we're going to go to our file and we're going to use the fine. Remember, your fingers are your second set of eyes. Alright. And you can feel it on your file if there's anything. Yeah, it's working really good. And you want to do the whole surface All right, I think that's it. Essence, you're just pretty much removing all the shine. After you've got it really smooth, now you want to remove the shine. There you go. That's great. That's great. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to start off with number 3, which is the base coat. All right, we're going to pause the video and we're going to put it in the light for 60 seconds. All right, 60 seconds is up. And of course, it's going to have a slightly tacky feel to it. Now we're going to put on top coat. And we're going to leave it in the light for 60 seconds. All right, let's take it out of the light. Let's feel it a little bit tacky, but that's okay. Now we're going to take, I am using ASP antibacterial cleaning spray, and this I got at Sally's Beauty Supply. So I'm going to spray it onto my nail that I just completed, and I'm going to wipe. And there you go. So there you have it. So it is a modification to a modification hand. Now you got that smooth feeling to it. See, all the lines are gone. Well, thank you very much for tuning in to this very short video. I hope that it was helpful, and I hope that you're constantly finding new things to do with your trainer hands. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for allowing me to share my passion with nails with you. Homework is signing off.